Next, so based on the section formula, so once we will see the different kinds of problems, these two. So after this, you have to complete the exercise 7.2 also, and listen very carefully. See, the first question is, if the points A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. Generally, so see here, observe carefully, here this P value means in the point D, x coordinate they are not giving, just variable. So we should find out what is that. See here, they given parallelogram. So you know very well, this is parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, D taken in order. So A is nothing but given points. A is equals to 6, 1, B is equals to 8, 2, C is equals to 9, 4, D is equals to 3, 2. So here P value we should find. So based on the parallelogram, what are the conditions of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. But if you take here the distance formula, both sides you have to find out square. I have to do squaring on both sides. So to find out squaring on both sides, we can't get here something difficult we will get. So if they given like 4 points, if they will ask find any variable, see here one condition, I am taking diagonals. These two diagonals intersect at a point, means these both diagonals intersect one point. So that means the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. So the midpoint of BD is equal to the midpoint of AC. Right. Midpoint formula already we studied in the previous class, first topic. So x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So second topic. So here again x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here first A, BD points, then AC points. BD P plus 8 by 2, comma 3 plus 2 by 2. That is equals to, then AC 9 plus 6 by 2. Then again 4 plus 1 by 2. So here, what is P plus 8 by 2, comma 3 plus 2, 5 by 2. That is equal to 9 plus 6, 15 by 2, comma 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. If you observe carefully, the corresponding coordinates are equal. Already we are getting these both are equal. 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Then we have to make these two are equal. So P plus 8 by 2 is equals to 15 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Then p plus 8 is equals to 15. Then this 8 transpose here. P is equal to 15 minus 8. So P is equals to 15 minus 8, 7. Therefore, the value of P is 7. This is the children. So how to find out the given variable value if parallelogram or any quadrilateral according to the condition of quadrilateral we have to find out. So we will go for the next problem. Okay, so here the next problem is if A and B are the given points, this is line segment. Find the coordinates of P such that this condition given AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB means solution. The given points A is equals to minus 2 comma minus 2, B is equals to 2 comma minus 4. So if you take a point P here, so this P is dividing, what is the condition? AB means this is 3 parts, this total is 7 parts. Then what can you say about this one? See, from here to here 7 parts, from here to here 3. So if you find out this one, 7 minus 3, nothing but 4. These are the 4 parts. So AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Now PB is equal to AB minus AP. That is equals to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, AP by PB is equal to 3 by 7. Nothing but 3 is to 7. This ratio we should take. So now, condition. The point P is divides AB in the ratio